Alright, just gonna look at some support and resistance. We'll pick a random stock. Here, we'll look at Kohl's. Oh, by the way, Kohl's has been in a downtrend since March and starting to break out. October is historically a good month for Kohl's. I've been watching that. It broke out and it's retested the trend line. So if it breaks above this 21 level right here, I'll probably get into it. But anyways, let's look at some support and resistance levels here. I have a support zone drawn here. And I was expecting it to actually come down. Maybe the wick reached it, yeah. So you can see there, the wick came down, just kissed that zone a little bit and popped right back up, and then it broke out of the trend line. Anyways, support and resistance can be found on any time frame. I'll look at the weekly chart first. Right here. You can see that price came up, hit this level, came back down, came back up, hit the same level again. I like to take the rectangle tool, and then it's a zone. It's not an exact spot, but right in there. This is an important level. Since it's resistance, I usually make it red. If it's support, I'll make it green sometimes. Support and resistance zone. So hit the level, couldn't break through, it came back down, hit the level again, validating a strong resistance level, and then you can see it dropped off. Same thing here, strong support level, because it came down, moved back up, dropped off here, hit that same area, moved back up. This time went straight through the support. Now this area that was support would now be considered resistance. So broke through support, tries to come back up, same level. Now it's considered resistance, hits that level, and it was denied and moved back down. Another zone here. So if you just look at the charts, and I like to start with a monthly or weekly view and then move into my 4-hour, because I know that these are strong levels. This is a level here, hit here, here, here. So when I do trade this, let's say I made a huge move up, when it gets to this zone here, I'm going to expect it to get rejected. So if I was in a trade, I may exit my trade before it gets there.